Hi, I'm Heather from Heather Handmade, and I noticed something really interesting. So, in a couple videos back, I made 3 different shirts with infusible ink, and each shirt has a different fabric content. So this is the Cricut blank. Let's see, this is the 50% cotton, 50% polyester, and this one is the 100% cotton. So I wasn't planning on wearing this one because it didn't look very good when it was done, and it kind of was green at the edges. So I've been using it to like dry my hair, just hold my hair up out of my face while it's drying, while it's still damp. And I noticed that the letters used to be kind of a black color, and now they're kind of brown. They've faded, and all that's happened to them is that they have gotten wet. So I wondered if washing it would make a big difference. I wonder if this color is going to wash out when it's in the washing machine, and I wonder if the one that's 50% cotton, 50% polyester, I wonder if that one would also wash out, because there's cotton and it doesn't bond to cotton. The infusible ink only bonds to polyester. The Cricut blank t-shirt is made out of 100% polyester, and that's why the infusible ink bonds so well and it stays in. I had my other infusible ink t-shirt that I made earlier this summer that I've worn and washed, and the color hasn't faded and nothing has happened to it. So today we're going to try washing all these 3 t-shirts and seeing the difference that it makes. So I'm going to put just my regular soap in my washing machine, and I have my 3 t-shirts that I'm throwing in. I'm going to do a regular wash as if I were washing it, and I do everything normal, warm, regular spin, and I often dry everything. So I'm going to do it all normal as I normally would, because I want to see what would happen if you were washing it normally, what would happen to the infusible ink. I'm really excited to see what's going to happen at the end of this experiment. So the washer is done, and I'm going to pull out the t-shirts to see what they look like. So here's the infusible ink one. There's like no change. It's just as dark and clean and crisp as it was before I washed it. Now this is the 50% cotton, 50% polyester, and it looks more faded to me, but it's a little hard to tell when it's wet because I think it is darker when it's wet. So this needs to dry before we can see how much of a difference it is. And then the last one, the one that is 100% cotton, it's way more faded, and it's not black at all. It's like a brownish, yellowish color. And I feel like it has bled. I don't think you can see it in the video, but I feel like the color has spread out over the white. Like there's brown smudges and stuff. So let's dry it and see what it looks like when it's all done and they're all dried. So the dryer is done. Let's get out the t-shirts and see what they look like. So here's the Cricut blank, and it looks just as good when we made it. Here's the 50% cotton, 50% polyester, and it's even more faded than it was before. It's still a grayish color, but it definitely has gotten worse than it already was. And lastly, here is the 100% cotton, and it's still like a brownish color, and there is a hint of green around all the letters, and there's even, I can see that the ink has kind of moved throughout between all the letters. There's just kind of some smudging that has happened. So definitely this one doesn't look good and is really worse off than before. So the winner of the wash test is the Cricut Infusible ink blank. This t-shirt really looks the best. It looked the best from the beginning and it looks the best after being washed. Thanks for watching this video. I can't wait to see your Infusible ink projects and see how they go through the washer. Please like this video and follow my page for lots of Cricut and sewing.